my baby. So your girl Receivers coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, and tell somebody, because we literally over here. Without further ado, just got a package. Let's see what's going on. Hold on, I'm trying to throw the packages away as I go. You me, boo boo. Ooh-wee. So I got this from the DH, y'all. This is so cute. But it's not in the color I wanted. I wanted the gold hardware. I mean, it's cool. It's in the black hardware. Yeah, I wanted gold. This is my largest size. I got this from the DH. And that's another thing with the DH. They don't be listening. They really don't. Like, sometimes they listen, sometimes they don't. This is cute. I mean, because the gold one, if I was to wear like silver accessories, then I'd probably be mad. But oh, this is real nice and spacious. So yeah, just want to throw a purse on, because I had the one with the gold one, but I got rid of it because I think I was like, because it was like a goldish, it's like bronze gold, like that vintage gold, and I was like, So yeah, definitely keeping this one. And this is the big size, y'all. I forgot how much this was on the DH, but you know, the DH, you always gotta just search for the purse you're looking for and just keep looking at the recommendations to get the cheapest price. But yeah, this is the largest size Lulu bag. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, this is cute. Alright, y'all, just wanted to come on here and unbox this and check it, and hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye. Hey y'all, I came back because the snippet of the one video was not that long, so we gonna record this and combine the two and make it do what it do. So yeah, welcome back. Y'all, these packages be coming already like open. And y'all, my mom gave these to me. Them Yara. Y'all, these be smelling good. She like, they don't last on me. Well, go ahead, pass them to the left pond side. You better pass them on the left pond side, baby. Hold on, the baby having Alright, y'all, hold on, cause this got my address. And y'all, this is from the expressway. Hold on. Throw stuff away as I go. Y'all, these right here at my feet. You me, boo boo. You me. So y'all know I love Chucky. I think I already got one like this, but I had to get another one because I don't know where it's at. So yes, I had to get me a little good guy Chucky Hello Kitty keychain for my purse. Y'all know how it gets down. We got this. So y'all know I had bought those pearl headphones, but I had to buy some more, y'all. Y'all know I love purple. You know, I got a pink one for my pink purse, so y'all know. Ow, did you just bite my foot? Y'all niece. I'm gonna beat her butt. She just bit my big toe. She be going through these little jealous phases, y'all, if I'm not paying her no attention, like when I'm doing something. She be like, "Ooh, I'm gonna get you." She just bit my toe, heifer. I guess I'm in her way because she playing, but we're by my recording table, so she has to wait. Ooh, y'all, I'm shaking the table. Y'all seen this and thought it was cute. Kind of reminded me of a beach bag. And this is in the large size. I thought this was so cute. Kind of like a wicker bag. The inside. And it comes with the purse strap. I just thought this was so cute. It's in pink. I be trying to get in touch with my pink side, y'all, because y'all know I'm a purple girl. But I got a few tins that's pink. So I'm guessing this is like the drawstring. You can bunch it up at the top. So yeah, y'all, this is my miniature unboxing from the Expressway. You can find some good stuff on there. You just gotta search. I mean, like search on the Expressway. DH, them prices ridiculous. But if you go on the Expressway, get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm really going this time. Oh, and they got me the thing too. With the Dior. I didn't even see that. Alright. But yeah, y'all, that's it. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye.